So how is this going to help you moving forward? Or maybe I shall rephrase it. Do you now feel that you are more ready to create your course?
Yes, more ready than before. Before, this is all in my mind. Now, at least I have a guide. I know what to do. I even have work that you gave us the workbook. So we have practice, which is very good. Otherwise, we can just go listen and never do anything. A lot of people do that when they attend a webinar or workshop, or it will be forgotten. So I think what you did is very good because you give us a chance to do it on our own. Without that, I think it won't be, it's just one way of us listening, learning, but doing that practice and after that you review it with us. That one is actually very, very good.
So you found the hands-on work helpful, and as also the discussion we had afterwards, because when you have done your work, you feel that you're able to ask relevant questions, real implementation questions, right?
Yeah, exactly.